Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by combining ingredients now. Whisk 4 egg yolks with 75 g sugar until pale. Meanwhile, split a vanilla bean or measure 1 tsp vanilla extract into the milk. Heat 500 ml milk or half milk, half cream to about 82 degrees C, just below boiling, so flavor opens without scalding. Once the milk is hot, slowly ladle a few spoonfuls into the yolks while whisking to temper them. This prevents cooking the eggs and sets you up for a smooth custard. Once tempered, pour the yolk mixture back into the saucepan and cook over low heat. You must stir constantly with a silicone spatula or wooden spoon, scraping the bottom and sides to prevent hot spots. Make sure to watch temperature. Aim for around 82 degrees C or until the custard coats the back of a spoon, the nap stage, because that indicates proper thickening without scrambling. When thickened, immediately remove from heat and pass through a fine sieve to catch any coagulated bits and ensure a silky texture. You finish by transferring the hot custard into a clean bowl and pressing plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent a skin forming. Refrigerate at least 2 hours to set. Once cold, you can rewarm gently for pouring or use it as filling for tarts and desserts. If the mixture curdled or looks grainy, don't panic. Strain it and whisk in a few tablespoons of warm milk, or briefly blend to re-emulsify. That single rescue step often brings back a smooth consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.